This is Matthew Cratter from Bitcoin University, and today I wanted to talk about how to use gold to protect yourself. We've talked about this in the past, whether gold is a good inflation hedge. Unfortunately, it is no longer a good inflation hedge. Has gold been a good place to protect yourself from the biggest decade of central bank money printing and fiat currency debasement in history? Unfortunately, it hasn't. It has not kept up with the rate of inflation or the rate of the growth of the U.S. money supply. It's basically gone nowhere in a decade. Compared to Bitcoin, especially, gold continues to lose value every year, every week. And if we scroll out, as this chart moves down, that's Bitcoin appreciating against gold. And it's been absolutely brutal, as we can see. But this is not to say that gold is completely useless. In fact, people around the world are using gold every day to protect themselves and their families, people like this that you may know. And this is because, much like the people who own it, gold is extremely dense. And while it cannot protect your portfolio very well, the metal itself can be used in self-defense. For example, gold bars, they're fairly expensive now, but they can be flung at thieves during a home invasion. If you're lucky, you'll hit one of the thieves on the head and take them out. But even if you miss, that thief is now free to take your gold bar as a bearer asset and run away with it, thus protecting your family. In the future, though, as gold continues to be demonetized by Bitcoin, I think it will become affordable for almost everyone to own a gold baseball bat that they can use to defend their families. Something like this, extremely beautiful work of art. And in addition, new forms of martial arts will also evolve around gold. For example, would you mess with this man? I didn't think so. That man is a walking threat, just like the paper gold that he owns in his Chuck Schwab account. When it comes to shiny yellow rocks, remember there is no second best, and you'll know that you've arrived when you can sit high and proud on one of these bad boys, perhaps the highest use case for gold. Meanwhile, though, if you want to protect your value of your savings, if you want a true store of value, you should opt in for Bitcoin. This is the performance of Bitcoin versus gold since August 10th of 2020, when MicroStrategy adopted its Bitcoin strategy. Bitcoin up 214%, gold down 3%, even with all the money printing that's taken place over the past few years. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe and like buttons. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I publish my next video. And let me know your questions and comments in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.